my name's Emma Allen. I'm one of the garden managers here at RHS Garden Wisley, and I'm here today to talk to you about Colchicum. This is a genus of plants with approximately 160 species, and they originate from Africa and the Mediterranean and parts of West Asia. And they're an excellent blast of flower power in autumn for your garden. They're bulbs, they're corms in fact. Because they're from places like Africa and the Mediterranean, they like to be baked. So do plant them in a sunny position with a well-drained soil. Plant them in late summer and then watch the flowers come up in autumn. And what's unusual about these bulbs or corms is that they flower before the leaves come. So you'll get the flowers first, and then in spring the leaves will come through. Here at Wisley we quite often use them around tree circles, but you can also plant them in the front of a border. Colchicums come in a range of colours, from white to pinks and purples. As you can see behind me, there's a lovely white, and it's a slightly almost tulip-shaped single flower. This is Colchicum speciosum album, but you can also get amazing double forms. And again, when those leaves come through in spring, they'll give you a little bit of ground cover protection from weeds when you get those first flush of weeds, so they're ever so useful for that as well. So in your garden, if you've got tree circles, plant them underneath them. If you've got a border and you want a bit of colour after the summer flowers have died back, then you can plant colchicums in between your herbaceous perennials, and then you'll extend the season of colour for a little bit longer. Colchicum are also available from the RHS if you'd like to buy them for your own garden.